Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to share with you this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. This Tiguan comes with a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-motion drive. It's finished in a gorgeous metallic Atlantic blue and offers some exceptional exterior features such as the R-line body styling, roof rails and towbar. To the side, you can see the stylish 20-inch Misano diamond turned surface alloy wheels that adds to the sporty look of the car, and to the front, the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and automated activation. Around to the rear, you can find the sporty looking bumpers and reversing sensors that can help manoeuvre via audio cues. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically with the key fob, you can see the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. And once you've finished putting your items away, one touch of a button and the door can close automatically. In the boot, the 2 rear folding seats can be adjusted to provide 2 extra spaces for passengers. This is perfect for larger families. Into your rear seating, you'll see the interior has the lovely Greyson sports cloth upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you'll find your vent controls for temperature adjustment and USB ports for device charging. Coming into the cockpit, and you can see the front sport seats that guarantee comfort with every drive, cup holders and plenty of storage inside the adjustable armrest. To the front, you can find more USB ports and a wireless phone charging station. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone and driving data. Moving on to the infotainment system, radio allows you to tune into FM and DAB channels. Telephone allows you to connect your phone for hands-free use. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant will show you that the Tiguan is equipped with IQ Drive, technology that provides a safer, stress-free drive. Media offers various ways to play media, such as Bluetooth. The car also provides Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto, which allows further connectivity to your mobile device. Vehicle shows the settings available for the car and can also provide data. Sound allows you to change the equalizer settings and position of audio output. The Tiguan does come with driver profile selection, which allows you to customise the feel of your drive. The car is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors to help you navigate through tight spots. The car is equipped with 3-zone automatic climate control that's guaranteed to keep all passengers cosy and toasty, especially with the heated front seats. The roof of the cabin comes with a lighter personal mirror, an SOS button, reading lights and additional storage. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.